Welcome to my channel. I'm Karina and I'm here to show you how to use three simple tools to manage your business. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a document on Google Drive with one or many people. Let's get into it. So here's my Drive. And so the first thing I want to show you is how to create a freebie folder in your Drive to share the freebies, the templates or ebooks you want to share for free with the people. So you click new and you want to create a new folder. And we're going to create one free with an X because there's going to be a lot of them. And we create it. So we're going to go right inside. And here you can click on the little arrow and see all the options available for you. What you can do though, is actually change the color if you're, again, like me, a visual person who likes to see things clearly. So I'm going to make it pink because it looks nice. So I'm going to click on New and find Upload, and it's going to open the navigator to my computer. Here is my ebook. So as you can see, it's downloading here. You can see, you can follow. It happened really, really fast. So this is the ebook in question. So this is what you want to share with the people who are actually going to request it. So you can click on it and you have the sharing options here, or you can click right and the options will appear here in this little window. So you click on share here. And you want to change from restricted to anyone with the link. Because it's anyone with the link, the default is going to be viewer, and I highly suggest you keep it this way. Because you want people to be able to make a copy and keep it for themselves, but not to actually change the original document. But if you wish for the people to make changes or to add comments, you can put commenter or editor. Things you need to do is you copy the link, and that is going to be the link you're sending to people when they want to have access to your freebie. So this is the one you want to send people when they want to access your freebie. And here you can click done. Now we're back in my Drive and I'm going to show you actually how to create a folder that you want to share with your clients. And this is a very different one. So again, we're going to click on the little plus button, new, and create folder. This time, because you're going to share it with a client, we're going to put client name and click create. We open. And in this case, you want to share with the person. So you're going to put their email address in here, what kind of action you want to allow your client to do in the document. Are they allowed to edit, otherwise add and edit file? Just to put comments on the file or just to view them. Usually I make mine editors so they can also make changes if they want. Make sure to notify people, and if you want, you can add a personalized link. And we can click send. Once you've shared the folder with someone, every time you're going to create a document in there, it's going to be automatically shared with the person. Let me show you how. So you go on the plus sign, create new, and let's put a Google document, and you see it's going to tell you straight away that you're about to create a document in a shared folder and that it's going to be shared with the same people as the selected folder. So you can create and share. And for example, you can put, and your client will have access. Alternatively, you can go into share and copy the link and send it to them directly. Because they are the only one with you who are actually able to access this document from their account, you can copy the link and send it to them. And if they are logged into the right computer and to the right phone, they can access it. That is as simple as that. If you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss my next one. Is there a specific topic you would like me to do a tutorial on next? Please leave it in the comment and I will make sure to make a video on it. Have a wonderful time.